John Cooper, owner operator, Mr. Car Audio LLC, back at you guys one more time. All right, our project for today was this Jaguar 2019 F-Type. All right, what we did to it, we put in the white HID. Came with the yellow HIDs. Customer didn't want that. We upgraded to the white HIDs. All right, real easy peasy. We put in these custom fog lights. All right, guys, it didn't come with the fog light. We put them in. We made special brackets to hold them in there. They look clean. They look nice. They match the headlights. We got some more to show you guys. Come on. All right. Customer also did not come with the ambient lighting. Wanted the ambient lighting. So we put ambient lighting in all four doors. All right, guys. She looks good. She looks clean. She is sexy at night. Beautiful car. You guys see that mirror up there? That rear view mirror up there, guys? You see that? That records while he's driving. We also added that. Second backup camera. Of course, Jaguar F-Type comes with a factory backup camera, but we wanted a second one. He wanted it to record. So what we did, we put it in. She's clean, she's nice, she's sexy. That's about it, guys. One more thing. During this process, we did have to remove this door. All right? We had to figure it out. We had to get this door out. We had to get through them grommets. All right? It was no fun getting that ambient light in. But we got it done. There's pictures on our page of that door removal if anybody's interested. All right, thanks, guys. We'll get at you with the next one.